Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be just a super quick little natural hair tutorial. I haven't shown my natural hair, I feel like, in so long, like a real natural hairstyle. So it's so hot, girl. So I was like, I'm going to take a little mini break, do 2 little braids and make like a little bun in the back. So this is kind of like a crochet ponytail kind of bun vibe. So that's why I wanted to throw this video up for you guys so y'all can see, in case you want to do a little super quick style like this. This can definitely last you like a week or so. So that's what it's looking like. So if you want to see how to do this super quick little natural hairstyle, keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so we are starting off on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I am using the Emerge leave-in conditioner. I picked this up from Walmart. I don't think they carry it anymore, but you can get it on Amazon. I absolutely love this entire product line, so I highly recommend it for natural hair. So all I'm doing is applying the leave-in conditioner in sections and then combing it out. And then of course, we're going to be using some Eco Styler gel for this style. So I just parted my hair down the middle, and then I'm applying the gel by the part and along my perimeter. And then I'm actually going to go in between each layer, part it and apply gel. So this is going to help my hair to really get slicked down. You know, when you have thick natural hair, girl, you got to go layer by layer and really put that gel in there so it can be nice and flat. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just start braiding. You can definitely add in braiding hair if your hair is on the thinner side and you want your braid to be a little bit thicker. But I personally did not need to add any in, so I'm just keeping my braid pretty close to the perimeter, like by my edges. And I'm gonna go ahead and braid all the way down to the very end. Now the hair that we're gonna be using today is the Lulu Truss Island Twist in 8 inches. I have been having this hair for a very long time. It's literally just been sitting in my hair bin, and I was like, oh, this is like the perfect texture to use for this style. So of course you don't need this exact hair. You can go to the beauty supply or use any hair that you already have on hand. This hair is definitely on the silkier side. So when I was putting it on my ponytail holder, I actually ended up knotting it twice. I didn't show that to you guys, but basically after I looped it through once, I just went ahead and tied it twice, so that I could make sure that the hair would actually stay on the ponytail holder. So I tied my hair down overnight. I think it had actually been maybe like 2 days before I even added on like the ponytail bun part in the back. So all I did was put my hair, my 2 little braids, in a ponytail holder. And then I wrapped the ponytail holder with the crochet hair around my little bun twice. And then I'm just gonna kind of play with it and use bobby pins and stuff to pin it into place. Now, I didn't actually end up showing you guys, but I did go directly into my own braids and add in a few little crochet pieces. as well as a few pieces on my actual braids just so that my bun could be a little bit fuller. And then I went ahead and just added in some cute little gold accessories, and that was pretty much it for this style. So it's really easy. Like, you can do so many things if you make a little crochet ponytail. You can do a little bun like this. I also have a tutorial, I'll link it down below and in the cards for you guys, of an actual crochet braid ponytail, like no braid and like the actual big ponytail in the back. That was super cute, but you basically do it the same way. It's the same method, but I just figured I'd go ahead and share this with you guys. It's just kind of like a little natural hairstyle. So that is going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, turn post notifications on, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!